In this video, I'll show you how to add Calendly to your WordPress site. First, go to Calendly and log into your account. Under Event Types, you'll see your existing calendar. If you don't have one yet, click on the Create button and choose from the available event types. Then go ahead and set it up. Once your calendar is ready, click the Share button. Then go to Add to Website. Here you'll see a few options: inline embed, pop-up widget, and pop-up text. Choose the one that works best for your site and click Continue. You'll have the option to customize the appearance, such as colors. Once you're happy with it, click on Copy Code to copy the embed code. Now head over to your WordPress site. On the left panel, click on Pages and click Add New Page. You can give your page a title, like Book with Us. Then click the plus sign button to add a new block. Search for and select Custom HTML. Now, paste the embedded code you copied from Calendly into the HTML block. Click Preview, then make sure your calendar is displaying correctly. If everything looks good, click on the Publish button on the upper right corner. You can now view your page, and your Calendly calendar will be fully functional on your WordPress site. And that's it. You've successfully added Calendly to your WordPress site. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.